And so the journey begins. Hello YouTube, this is my first video. It's going to be an unboxing video of the Firefly 8S. Being very careful. I've read about the Firefly 8S online, and it has 4K output, 30 frames per second. Actually got this idea from Chase on Two Wheels. I'll put a link in the description to the video that kind of inspired me to get started with this. Thanks, Chase. The Firefly 8S is an action cam that's made by a Chinese company called Hawkeye. And you can see probably here the Firefly logo here. And it's got a Sony sensor, which is the IMX117. The processor is an A12S75. So let's go ahead and open this. And there's the Firefly 8S in the box. So let's go ahead and take that out. There's also, it's mounted, and it's also already in the waterproof case. It came with a bunch of accessories. I like to take manuals off the internet if I can find them, if I can find the PDF version of the manual before I actually buy something. That way I can actually check to see if it has the features and the specific specifications that I think are important. In this case, I actually did download the PDF version of the Hawkeye Firefly 8S PDF, and I'll leave a link to that PDF down below in the description. There are a couple of straps, it looks like. Maybe Velcro. There's the USB charger. Looks like this is a lanyard of some sort. Looks like it probably goes, it goes around in a circle. That's kind of cool. Or a half circle, I guess. It's only a half circle. And it's interesting. Not sure what that button is for. Oh, yes I do. It pops off. That's interesting. That's kind of cool. So you could put this on the camera and then carry this around your neck so you don't have to worry about dropping it. Here's some sort of mount. Looks like it pops into something somewhere. There's another mount. Looks like it also pops into some kind of container. These are the 3M adhesive backed stickers where you can attach the camera to different parts of your bike or onto whatever you're going to be recording from. In my case, it's going to be a motorcycle. I have a Concord 14 and a Kawasaki. Looking forward to getting this out and putting it on the bike and attaching it and actually making my first vlog video. So this is kind of the beginning of the journey. Looks like I'm not exactly sure what that is, so I'll have to be reading about what that accessory is. And I believe this is the camera flare protector, so it goes over the top of the lens. And this is another connector. Got the handy dandy zip ties to keep everything nice and neat. Looks like another mounting bracket. And this is for the camera itself. And it looks like this allows you to mount it directly into camera tripod. Right now I'm filming with an iPhone 7 Plus. And it might not be the best recording, and definitely it's using the internal speaker. Until I got this, that's all I had. So we're making do with what we have. And then it looks like we have some sort of clip-on that goes on a bicycle handle maybe. So you can do bicycle videos. Maybe we'll get the bicycle out this summer. And there's some more 3M stickers that allow you to attach the camera onto different places. And then there's, ooh, this is a nice touch. They have a camera lens cleaner cloth. That's kind of nice. And then they have a Hawkeye sticker, and it says Sharp Vision, which is kind of cool. And then there's the Firefly Explore the New World sticker. Looks like their logo. It's very cool. And then here's another one. It says, Call Me Little Pilot. You would not believe how hard it was to just wait for me to open this camera to do an unboxing video. But I thought it would be a good way to start things out. When I started off the YouTube channel, this is kind of a journey, the Bravo twist. I got inspired, like I said, by watching Chase's video about the Firefly 6S, which is a couple of revs back, but I'm kind of excited about, you know, where this is gonna go. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way. There's a few more things that we can see. I bought a couple of extra things. I bought the selfie stick. Sorry if I'm bumping the camera. Tripod is right there. Cover. So I also bought the selfie stick. So let's see here. So I bought this off of GearBest, and I'll also leave a link to the description down below. Okay, that was not expected. It looks like maybe that's some kind of spacer, but this is the actual selfie stick itself. I don't know, I guess. I bet it goes on here maybe. Sure enough, it does. It looks like you can have it grab onto things. So we'll just go ahead and leave that in there. Selfie stick goes here, and I'm guessing that this goes out like so. Okay, and then this can go at different angles, I'm guessing. Yep. You can see that. And it locks into place by this little locking mechanism. Undo it. It locks into that place. It's got it looks like it has a full 90 degrees of travel. Straight up or straight down. And then this just twists and then goes back in and then locks. Unlock it, you twist it again. So that looks good. So that's the selfie stick. I also bought the external microphone. The external microphone should allow us to have a little bit better sound. And it looks like it comes in a neat little case. This actually might double as the micro SD holder as well. Let's take this apart here. Doesn't come apart that easy. It just fits that way. There we go. So this is like you clip this onto whatever, and then this just plugs into the camera at the little end. It's very cool. So we'll go ahead and put that back in the case. I also bought a remote control. The remote control has a nice little box to it too, and it looks like the corner of the container got chipped. Probably got hit by something, I don't know. This came in the mail, so it's easy for stuff to get banged up, I guess. So this basically just, I guess you would strap this onto your wrist maybe, and you'd be able to control the camera, start and stop. And I'm guessing, kind of wondering if it has like a light. Can't really tell if that's a light, but we'll find out. I'll try to do a follow-up video after this. And then finally, since the battery is only, it says in their manual when I was reading it online, it lasts for about an hour and a third. And so I decided I would buy a couple of extra batteries. So these are 2 extra batteries for the Firefly, as well as a double charger. So it can charge 2 batteries while one is still actually powering the camera. So that's it for the unboxing. I will probably follow this up with another video once I actually start using the camera and I can show you footage of what the different modes are like. Probably do a more in-depth video, as this is probably getting long and I want to keep these kind of reasonably short. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is the Bravo twist on the Firefly 8S.